If you use Microsoft Word every day, here's a small setting that can make a big difference. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable tooltips on hover in Word so you can quickly see helpful information when you move your mouse over different parts of your document. This is a simple feature, but it can make Word feel a lot easier to use, especially if you want faster access to guidance while editing, formatting, or reviewing your work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you into Word's main settings and account area. From there, scroll down and click Options. The Word Options window will open, and this is where you can change a variety of display and editing preferences. On the left-hand side of the Options window, click Display. This section controls how Word appears on your screen and how certain helpful features behave while you work. Now look through the display settings until you find the option that says Show Document Tooltips on Hover. This is the exact setting you need to turn on tooltips when you move your mouse over items in Word. Go ahead and check that box. Once it's enabled, Word will start showing tooltip information when you hover over supported elements, which can be really useful if you want quick explanations without clicking through menus. After checking the box, click OK to save your changes. That's it. The setting is now active and you should be able to see tooltips on hover in Word right away. If you don't notice one of them immediately, try moving your mouse over different buttons, text areas, or interface elements to confirm the feature is working. And if you ever want to turn it off later, just come back to the same place. File, Options, Display, and uncheck Show Document Tooltips on Hover. It's that easy. Now you know exactly how to enable tooltips on hover in Word in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.